Good day, sir and madam. My name is Labjoy Labasan. I was born on March 20, 2000. I am 24 years old. I am a single. My highest education is college undergraduate. I work as housemaid in the Philippines for 3 years. I have served one couple and 3 children, age 9, 6, and 4 years old. My main duties is do the household chores like cleaning the house, washing the clothes, ironing, preparing meal, marketing, and taking care of the children. I can overcome my homesickness by keeping myself busy to my work. If the mother of my employer cannot speak English, I will use sign language. The most important thing in taking care of the children is to prepare their food on time, check their clothes if wet, and keep them safe. I need to check the body temperature by thermometer. My last message to my future employer is I need this job, I love to work, and I will respect and obey my employer, and I will finish my 2 years contract. Thank you, sir and madam.